The up-and-coming singer I'm most excited about, Eric Pasley. P-A-S-L-A-Y. This is how I greet the day. With my eyes wide open, I say the date, and I say, God, lead me today to those I need and those that need me, and let something I do have eternal significance. The one thing Vince does that always makes me laugh is, well, it's nasty, I can't say it on this. And that's all I can think about now. Okay, so always makes me laugh. He imitates people in the most extraordinary way. He's fantastic. My favorite live music venue in Nashville is the Ryman Auditorium. The one person I haven't done a duet with that I'd like to, well, that's a long list. Sting, Bruce Springsteen, and Katy Perry. And here's my new record, How Mercy Looks From Here.